The Agent Studio is the place to build and customize agents, which provides a no-code visual interface for creating, editing, and testing agents. You can see here a fleet of agents in this environment. Agent tools that are provided out of the box are coded tools that ship with the product, but we also allow our customers to create their own tools. So let's look at an example of that. Ask Google. This tool was created as an IS process tool. An IS process is a way that we allow our customers to create their own tools using Innovation Studio Process Designer. You give it a description, tool name, and you point the tool to that process and describe the inputs for that process. We will add a new agent by clicking Add Agents. We'll call this agent Demo Agent. The agent can be provided instructions describing what it can and cannot do. Tools are added to the agent. In this case, Knowledge Retriever, Digital Workplace Profile Search, and a Toolkit. Last, we select LLM model and version. We find the skill that we created earlier and add the agent to our skill. Clicking on the Agents tab, we find our newly created agent. Select it and apply our changes. Integrated test capabilities are built into the Agent Studio. This is where you check your agent and understand its interactions. Let's start by asking a simple question, list your tools, and then a knowledge search. On the right-hand side of the test tool, this is actually the trace of all the interactions. So it reveals exactly what's going on inside that agent, the prompts, and the message itself. Next, we asked a question the agent was not able to find a suitable response. We will add a tool to our agent to expand its capabilities. Let's add the Ask Google tool to our agent. I'll click Save and Apply, then check the assigned tools. We've only added a tool with no changes to instructions. So let's retest with this new skill. This time, it found information and cited links and articles. Looking at the LLM, we see that it chose Ask Google. It's effectively determining the best way to respond based on the context of the question. How did your agent provided that answer and you're not in a tool like this? You can always ask your agent to explain its answer. We asked the agent, explain your reasoning for providing this answer. BMC Helix Agent Studio boosts productivity and time to value by enabling no-code AI agents that autonomously integrate with enterprise systems, automate workflows, and simplify complexity for broader user adoption.